So we've been running this membrane press for about a half an hour, and the figured walnut veneer is on the bottom side of this tabletop. Now, as the membrane pump finally sneaked through and got a vacuum on the interior of this table around the apron with the 3 blocks that each have a leg and a 3/4 inch dowel pin that attaches the leg to the table at these blocks. Now, I'm sure I have over 1,900 pounds per square foot in this whole area on the tabletop, and hence a decent mounting of the veneer. So I'm going to lead off the vacuum. Whoa! Well, as luck would have had it, the veneer looks like it's evenly spaced. I've got about a fat eighth and a skinny eighth of outside the edge of the tabletop. I'm going to need some help getting this out of here, but you can see what happened. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.